Subscribe to my universe and tap the bell icon to get notified each video goes live on my universe.
Hello guys, I'm Afzal from my universe. In this video we're going to unbox Cosmic Byte gaming mouse. Further wasting the time, let's get started. Before unboxing, let me show you the specification on the box. It has 6 buttons and 7 color RGB light with automatic switching. The price printed on the box is $6.99, but you can get it for $4.99 on Amazon. Buying link is in the description. Now let's open the box. Here is the mouse. Let's take a closer look at the mouse. There are 2 buttons on left. On top, we get the usual case, but there is one extra button below the scroll key. It comes with nylon braided USB cable. It feels good in hand. The keys are responsive and the 7 color RGB looks good. You don't need any software to use this mouse. It's plug and play mouse. The one thing I don't like about the mouse is we can't control the RGB light. It changes on its own. I think it's pretty much it for this video. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, give a huge thumbs up. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to share and subscribe. As always, thanks a lot for watching. This is Afzal from my universe signing off. See you in the next one. Bye.